Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Muskan Singh and today we're going to be talking about 5 things that can be your best friend in 2026. And yes, it's not people, it's something else. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, so the first best friend that you need to have in 2026 is drinking hot water. And oh my god, I cannot stress on the importance of the habit of drinking hot water every single day. As somebody who was a patient of stomach issues, and I still am, I can tell you the importance of drinking hot water. Now, I am not a doctor, I am not a therapist who can help you, but I can tell you that if you face any problems related to constipation or anything, drinking hot water will definitely be your best friend. So please inculcate this habit and do this every single day. The second best friend that you need to have in 2026 is being delusional. And let me tell you, the people who say that you should stay in reality and reality is the only thing that you need to have, these are the most miserable people. I had a friend who said that, okay, you are not living in reality, तुम reality में नहीं रहती हो, you are living a miserable life because delusion is not how life works. And okay, I understand that, but delusional का मतलब ये नहीं होता that you're going to sit around and wait things to fall into place. No, you're going to delusionally go and work hard for things that you believe is close to your heart and things will fall into place. अगर कोई आपको ये बोल रहा है कि रियलिटी में रहो, ट्रस्ट मी, दीज आर द मोस्ट मिजरेबल पीपल दैट यू विल फाइंड एंड यू नीड टू कट टाइज विद देम एज सून एज यू कैन बिफोर दे ruin your life. Because being delusional is you trusting something delusionally that is going to come true in 2026 and something that is very close to your heart. So whatever dreams you have, go and pursue them. So the third tip that should be your best friend in 2026 is staying away from toxic and negative people. Oh my god, I cannot stress on the importance of you staying away from toxic and negative people because they will drain your energy. Don't think that you are different. You are not different. They are going to drain your energy because it is their job. And your job is to stay away from them. It could be a family member, it could be a relative, it could be a friend. Now, I know that if it's a family member or a relative, you directly cannot cut ties with them. But what you can do, however, is unse baat mat karo. Dur raho unse. Okay, so don't interact much with them. Just greet them and then just part your ways and don't interact with them. However, if it's a friend, ignore them and cut ties with them because they're just a friend and you can find better friends. Just cut ties with them, leave them, and trust me, your life will be amazing. I had a friend who used to always comment on my height and my weight. I cut ties with them and now I'm very, very happy. The fourth best friend that you need in 2026 is money. And not just in 2026, it's just year down the line. Because, see, people who say that money is not everything, either they are fooled themselves or वो अपना बुद्धू बना रहे हैं यहाँ तो. You need to stay away from them because people who say that are miserable and they are stuck in a rut that they are not able to get out of, and now they also want you to get into that rut of believing that money is not important. Stay away from them because they will ruin your energy, they will ruin everything for you. And trust me, people who say this are very miserable, trust me on this. And for women especially watching this video, I want to tell you one thing, that money will always be your best friend. Doesn't matter if it's more or less, but it will always bless your life and it will always give you the freedom to use it wherever you want. And the men who say that you don't need money, get them out of your life because money is the most important asset. And guys, the fifth and the last thing that you need to be your best friend in 2026 is your mental health. And it's not about having a good mental health, but it's about maintaining it for a longer period of time. See, there are a lot of people who will always be on the go of taking it from you, taking your happiness from you. But what you want to do is, what you want and should do is to stay away from them because they will always try to get it away from you. But, you know, as it said, that misery loves company. They will always come and try to, you know, वो आपसे आपकी खुशी छीना पक्का चाहेंगे. But your goal and responsibility in 2026 should only be having a good mental health. Like, isn't it enough? मतलब कितना दुखी रहेंगे हम लोग यार, दुखी रह कि हम थक नहीं गए. And it's high time that we should really stop being miserable and focus on better things in life and focus on improving our energy and improving our mental health. And guys, this brings us to the end of the video. Please like, follow, share and subscribe, and also comment if you liked whatever I talked about, and give me your suggestions on what you want me to talk on about. And I appreciate you, I love you, and thank you so much for being here. And also comment down below your thoughts on what can be your best friend in 2026. I appreciate you. Bye bye.